Welcome back to the Edulexis 90-day Python course. Today is day 65 and we are stepping into browser automation with Selenium. Have you ever wished you could make your computer log in, fill forms, or scrape data from websites automatically? Today, you will learn how to make Python control a real web browser. So, what exactly is Selenium? Selenium is a powerful tool designed for automating web browsers. Think of it as a robotic assistant. Your Python script gives instructions, the WebDriver acts like a translator, and the browser executes the clicks, typing, and navigation just like a human would. Why do developers use Selenium? It is widely used for testing web applications to ensure buttons and pages work properly. But it is also heavily used for scraping dynamic web data, autofilling repetitive web forms, and managing routine browser tasks. It saves hours of manual work. Before we write code, we need to install the Selenium library. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install Selenium. This downloads all necessary Python modules. In modern Selenium versions, the driver manager handles browser drivers automatically, making setup super simple. Let's write our first script in VS Code. First, we import a WebDriver from the Selenium package. We also import the by, which helps us locate elements on a web page like search bars, buttons, and links. Keep your code editor open as we build this step by step. Now let's launch a browser. We create a driver object by typing a driver equals WebDriver Chrome. When you run this script, Python will instantly open a new Google Chrome window. Look at that. Your Python code just controlled your computer's browser. Opening a blank browser is cool, but let's visit a website. We use the driver.get method and pass the URL inside quotes, like Google. When executed, Selenium commands the browser to navigate straight to that web page instantly. To make sure our browser view is clean, we can maximize the window using driver.maximize_window. We can also verify we are on the right page by printing driver.title, which fetches the page title directly in our Python console. To interact with a web page, Selenium needs to find elements like search bars or buttons. We right-click the web page, click on Inspect, and look at the HTML attributes such as name, ID, or class. Here, the Google search box has the name attribute q. In Python, we find this element using driver.find_element. We specify by.name and pass q as the value. This stores the search bar element inside a Python variable so we can interact with it in our next steps. Now comes the fun part. We can type text into that search box automatically using the send_keys method. We pass our search query inside. When the script runs, watch how Selenium types out Edulexis Python programming letter by letter. After typing our search query, we need to submit the form. We simply call search_box.submit. This simulates pressing the enter key. Watch the browser instantly load the search results page. No human hands needed. Web pages take a few seconds to load data. If our script closes immediately, we won't see the results. So, we import Python's timer module and add a time.sleep 5 to pause execution for 5 seconds so we can observe our automated actions. Always clean up your resources after automation. We used driver.quit to close all browser windows and shut down the WebDriver session completely. While close shuts only the current tab, quit closes the entire browser session and frees system memory. Fantastic job! Today you built your very first browser automation script using Selenium, learned how to locate elements, type text, submit forms, and control Chrome with Python. Practice this code on different websites. Like and subscribe to Edulexis, and I will see you on day 66.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.